Hi. China. The oldest, this is Confucius, the philosopher, educator. 551 BC to 479 BC. The oldest form of the Chinese writing language was found in the oracle bone inscriptions carved on tortoise shell and mammal bones during the Shang dynasty, about 1600 to 1100 BC. Tiananmen Square, Gate of Heavenly Peace. It was not peaceful here. Tank ban protester, 1989. The man is unknown. The population of China is more than 1 billion. There are 56 minority groups. The largest minority group is the Han Chinese with roughly 900 million people. Other groups include the Tibetans, the Mongols, and the Manchus and the Naxi. The smallest group, with less than 2,000 people, is the Hezhen. The capital of China is Beijing. PRC stands for the People's Republic of China. The Terracotta Army depicts the armies of the first emperor. It took 40 years to complete. It was discovered in 1974. It is situated near the city of Zhangjiang. Chinese religion. Confucianism is widely considered as an indigenous religion. China is influenced by Confucianism. Confucianism is reflected in all major aspects of Chinese culture. Here are 3 quotes. 4 quotes, sorry. Isn't it a pleasure to study and practice what you have learned? There must be a mentor, teacher, for me among any 3 travelers. You have something to learn from everyone. I will select their good qualities and follow them, their bad qualities and avoid them. Learning without thought is labor lost. Thought without learning is perilous. And the last one, real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. China is officially atheist. Only 5 religions are tolerated: Buddhism, Taoism, Islam, Catholicism, and Protestantism. All other religions are illegal. About 185 million people are Buddhists. 33 million follow Christianity. Up to 20 million Chinese follow Islam, and 12 million are Taoists. The Chinese language. Standard Chinese is a standardized form of spoken Chinese based on the Beijing dialect of Mandarin. It is the official language of China and Taiwan, as well as one of 4 official languages of Singapore. Languages. Mandarin is the language spoken by about 850 million Chinese. It is used by the Han and other ethnic groups. There are about 56 languages spoken by the officially recognized ethnic groups in China and the autonomous regions like Tibet, Mongolia, Hong Kong, and Macau. Logograms or logograms. In written language, a logogram or logograph is a written character that represents a word or a phrase. The Chinese zodiac. The zodiac is based on a 12-year cycle in the Chinese lunar year. The signs are animals: rat, ox, tiger; rabbit, dragon; snake, horse, sheep; monkey, rooster; dog, and pig. The animals represent unique characteristics of people's personalities and their destiny. 2017 is the year of the rooster. Festivals: the Spring Festival. This is the oldest celebrated by the Chinese. It is the Chinese New Year. It begins on the first day of the first month in the Chinese lunar calendar. It ends on the 15th day. The Chinese celebrate by giving lucky money, lighting fireworks, dragon and lion dances. Chinese dragons are auspicious, kind, and friendly. The Chinese believe that they are descendants of the dragon. It is the symbol of imperial power in feudal society. It represents wealth, power, wisdom, and success. Cuisine: chopsticks, bones, and customs. Never place your chopsticks upright in your bowl. This symbolizes death. Sorry. Never put bones back in your bowl. Wrap them in a tissue or put them in a small plate provided. Always leave a small amount of food on your plate. This symbolizes the generosity of the host. There are 8 famous culinary traditions. Tea. China is the largest producer of tea and can be classified into 6 groups. The tea can be classified into 6 groups. Green tea is the oldest and most popular type of tea. Yellow tea is produced by allowing damp tea leaves to dry naturally. White tea, oolong tea, black tea, dark tea, and pu'er tea is fermented. The most expensive tea is in Sichuan province in the southwest, where the plants are fertilized with panda poop. And here are the questions. Bye-bye.